is very, very interesting. Day-to-day activities of DevOps engineer. A lot of people having confusion here only. Simple. You know one thing. So to learn DevOps course, do you need to learn any coding part? Obviously, it is not required. So, but scripting related will be there. That one I'll teach you everything. So not like you don't need to expert in scripting and all those things. But I'll teach you what are required related to DevOps course, what are required, everything I'm going to teach you in simple manner. If you go to the movie, how will watch the movie and enjoy? Same like in our entire course, like movie means how you'll enjoy the movie. Same like that entire course it will be there. Okay, you'll enjoy the complete concepts like movie. Got it? So day-to-day activities of DevOps engineer. Many means what does DevOps engineers do daily, right? So normally what they're going to do, checking Jenkins means checking Jenkins pipelines, monitoring servers, fixing deployment failures, managing Docker containers, Kubernetes troubleshootings, writing automation script, supporting developers. There are a lot of things. Okay, so mainly whatever they're doing it, I'm just focusing on it. Got it? So related to this, in our classes, you can understand in detail about it. What is what? So really, means once you understand the complete DevOps concept, then if you check this one, what is Jenkins? Means now if I tell you in detail about it, you can't understand. Why? Because you don't know about Jenkins, you don't know what are monitoring tools, you don't know about Docker, you don't know about Kubernetes, you don't know about scripting or anything. So means you don't have any knowledge about it, right? That's just I'm telling you what is what. So their activities I'm just showing you: checking Jenkins pipeline, monitoring servers, fixing deployment failures, managing Docker containers, Kubernetes troubleshooting, writing automation scripts, supporting developers. I'm just giving you overview. Okay. But once completion of your course, once again, if you check these activities, you can easily understand what is what. Okay.